Hello friends, let us make a recipe together. We will take 2 tbsp oil and 1 teaspoon butter in kadai. Add slices of 1 onion. Keep stirring for a while. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon crushed garlic. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. Add a 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn. Stir and mix. Add 3 to 4 teaspoon chopped spring onion. Add half diced green capsicum, red and yellow bell pepper. Stir and saute. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon Mexican seasoning. Half teaspoon thyme and half teaspoon oregano. Half teaspoon red chili flakes. Stir and cook. Add 5 to 6 fresh basil leaves torn pieces. Add 1/4 cup tomato puree. Stir and mix well. Add 10 to 12 jalapenos and 2 to 3 teaspoons sliced olives. I love Mexican rice, it tastes delicious. Add salt to taste. Add 1½ bowl of cooked basmati rice. Stir and mix thoroughly. Sprinkle 4 to 5 drops of Tabasco sauce. Mix well. Mexican rice is ready to enjoy. Eat what is nourishing. Enjoy fine food. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.